Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about compiler writing tools in compiler design. So first we will see basics about what are compiler writing tools. After the first compilers were written, systems were developed to help compiler writing process. When the compilers were written, there were some systems developed to help how to write the compiler. Okay, how to create a compiler. So they are referred to as compilers, compiler generator or translator writing system. There were different names given to this process of compiler writing. So compiler writer can use specialized tools that help in implementing various phases of compiler. As you all know, there are 6 phases of compiler. So compiler writing process can use some specialized tools that help in implementing these phases. Like we can use the tool to implement lexical analysis phases. We can use some specialized tool to implement syntax analysis phase. We can use some specialized tool to implement semantic analysis phase. We can also use some tool to implement intermediate code generation phase and also code optimizer phase and target code generation phase. So to implement each one of these phase, we can use some tool instead of manually implementing them to make our compiler writing process faster and easier. So tool assist in creation of entire compiler or its parts. So following are the tools created for automatic design of specific compiler components. These tools are specialized languages for specifying and implementing components. So first tool is parser generator. Second tool we can use is scanner generator. Syntax directed translation engine is the third tool we can use. Then we can use automatic code generator tool for code generation phase. Data flow engine, compiler construction toolkit. These are the 6 specialized tools we can use for compiler writing. Parser generator normally we use for syntax analysis phase. Scanner generator we use for lexical analysis phase. Syntax directed translation engine we use for semantic analysis. Automatic code generation is used for code generation phase. And additional tools we can use data flow engines and compiler construction toolkits. Now first tool we will see is parser generator tool. What it does. These softwares produce syntax analysis which takes input in the form of syntax of programming language and depends on context-free grammar. Input is taken in the form of syntax of programming language. You need a syntax of programming language, and by using syntax of programming language, parser generator tool will provide the syntax analysis. It will analyze the syntax automatically for you. That is the parser generator tool. Because syntax analysis is one of the phase of compiler. So you can do the syntax analysis automatically using this parser generator tool, which will take the input as syntax of your programming language and will give you the output after checking the syntax. So input is based on grammatical description of programming languages. So it is useful as syntax analysis phase is complex and consumes more manual and compilation time. Manually, if you go to do this syntax analysis phase, it is very complex and consumes more time for compilation. If you use this parser generator tool, syntax analysis will be done faster. So example of parser generator tools are ECK, at another compiler, PIC or UQM. These are the 3 tools we normally use for parser generator. Then we have a scanner generator. Now this software generates lexical analysis from input that consists of regular expression description based on token of language. Now input to scanner generator is what? Character streams or lexemes, and it will generate the tokens. So scanner generator tool will generate the token for you automatically instead of doing it manually. So it generates final automation to recognize regular expression. Example is Lex provided by Unix system. This Lex tool you can use for scanner generator. And third tool we can use is syntax directed translation engine. Now it generates intermediate code with 3 address format from input that consist of parse tree. These engines have routines to traverse parse tree and then produce intermediate code. So each node of the parse tree is associated with one or more translation. Then we have automatic code generator. Automatically the code is generated for us. The input is intermediate code and output is machine language. Intermediate code is in the 3 address format like quadruple, triples and all. Or you can have a DAG or syntax tree. or postfix notation, that is also intermediate code. So input is given in the intermediate code form and output will be a machine language. So it generates machine language for a target machine. So each operation of the intermediate language is translated using a collection of rules and then it is taken as an input by code generator. So template matching process is used here. So intermediate language statement is replaced by its equivalent machine language statement using templates. Then we have data flow analysis engine. It is used to perform good code optimization by gathering information. Now this particular tool, data flow analysis, is used for code optimization, which is an optional phase inside the compiler. Okay, it is a phase number 5, which is optional after intermediate code generation. If you want to develop a good compiler which is efficient and well performing, then you can use the code optimization phase because it will optimize your code. So you can do this good code optimization automatically by using this data flow analysis engine. First, you need to gather the data. So it tells about how values are transmitted from one part of the program to each other part. So it generates optimized code for your compiler. Then we have a compiler construction toolkits. Provides integrated set of routines that aids in building compiler components or in the construction of various phases of compiler. Compiler construction, it is a toolkit which will be used for all the phases of compiler or some parts of the compiler. So these are the 6 compiler writing tool: parser generator, scanner generator, syntax directed translation engine, automatic code generator, data flow engine, and compiler construction toolkits. So this was all about compiler writing tools in compiler design. Thank you.